you ever consider that life is just a series of twists and turns? Join me today for a labyrinth walk. Today I was drawn to find a labyrinth. This is a new one I had not been to before because I feel in my own life that things are changing. Actually, they're always changing. But in particular, I have felt the need to move inward, to do some reflection about how my life is shifting, how I am of service is shifting. And I was drawn to the labyrinth because for me, the labyrinth is a pathway for the soul. As a single winding path, it leads to the center and then back out again. As we walk on the labyrinth, it's an active moving meditation. And as I walked toward the labyrinth, I felt anticipation. I felt that there was something in me that was ready to be brought forward. And the labyrinth's meditative walk was waiting for me. It's an opportunity to slow down, to become introspective and reflect. And as you walk towards the center, metaphorically, we're journeying inward. We're exploring the depths of our inner world. Just as we feel we're getting closer to the answer, closer to the center, we often find we're very far away from the center again. That's why I love labyrinths. And the center of the labyrinth is a sacred space where we might receive insights. We might just feel a sense of deep inner peace and clarity. So it does travel inward and outward. That is our spiritual journey, and that's been my journey. Traveling inward, confronting fears, acknowledging desires and truths that maybe I haven't acknowledged lately. And then when I reach the center, when I reach that inner space, carrying that back out into my daily life, integrating those understandings. The labyrinth is an ebb and flow. It's a journey inward and a journey outward, a journey towards the center, a journey away from the center. You know, and labyrinths have been around for thousands of years. There's a shared human quest for meaning and understanding. My favorite thing to do when I'm feeling particularly stuck is to walk a labyrinth alone. And on this day, it was a chilly October day. There was nobody around. It was an early Sunday morning. Afforded me the opportunity to connect back to my deepest self. And as I walked, I noticed the paths of those who have walked before me. And I also realized that our journeys are not straightforward. Our lives do twist and turn. We hit obstacles. We hit some unexpected directions. But you know, when you're walking in a labyrinth, every turn has a purpose. Every turn is guiding us to explore a different part of our being before it leads us to the center. It's all about accepting those twists and turns that can really help us embrace the unpredictable nature of life. Into your spiritual practice is a powerful way to connect with your inner self, to connect with the divine, because each step, each turn can hold meaning. You know, we navigate our own labyrinths of life, and we're often invited to journey deep within and then return back to the world. So I ask you to consider how walking a labyrinth reflects where you are on your spiritual journey and what might await you at the center of that labyrinth. So I'd love to know what you think about life, twists and turns, back and forth, just when you think you're closer, you're farther away. And if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so you can follow me along for more insights and inspiration. Until next time, thank you.